Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are fixing the super annoying problem where our brother printer shows offline even though it's on. So let's go step by step and bring it back online. Go to your settings for that, and once you go to your settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and select it, and go to the option for printer and scanner. After you go to printer and scanner, you can just go over and select your brother printer. And once you select it, you can set it as default if you have set it. So you can just go and find the product printer here and set that particular printer as the default printer. And another thing you can do is make sure your printer is turned off. So you can just go over and find your printer. And once you find your printer, you can look out for the option for C printing. So you can look out for print, taste, paste, or C printing, something like that. And once you find it up, you just need to go over and make sure to use printer offline is unchecked. So you can just go over and find this option and do so if your printer is connected to your PC. Apart from that, you can restart your printer spooler service. Press Windows plus R for that. And once you go to that, you can just go over and type in services.msc. Type in services.msc. Hit enter. After you do so, you can just go over and find print spooler, type in P and go to print spooler and right click on it and select the option restart and complete it up. And also check your printer connection on the printer. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can go to network and check if it's connected to your Wi-Fi or not. Or if you're using USB, make sure both of them are connected properly. And if that does not work, you can re-add the printer. Open up your settings for that. And within your settings, go to printers and scanners. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Go to printer and scanner. And select this option of add device. And you can re-add the printer if the printer is not being added. And let Windows reinstall it. That should refresh the printer driver. So you can just go over and do so. And that's it. Now we have fixed the brother printer showing offline issue. If your printer is back online, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.